sunset, a flavor of a memory.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you some spaces in my home that I have organized using Dollar Tree products. I love the Dollar Tree when it comes to organizing, obviously because they're so inexpensive, but they do have a lot to offer when it comes to organizing. I recently discovered the website called TOPCASHBACK.com. You can shop over 4,000 retailers through them and get cash back, Dollar Tree being one of them. So one of my most recent organizing projects, that's what I did to check it out, and I really enjoyed the experience, and I will definitely be using this from here on out. So basically how it works is you just go onto their website, TOPCASHBACK.com, and then you go to the retailer that you choose through their website. So for in this case, I went to DollarTree.com, and then you purchase anything that you normally would. I purchased some organizing supplies on there. You can purchase a lot of different things, and so this actually works with a ton of different retailers. Like I said, over 4,000, Growth Collaborative being one, Walmart, Amazon, Target, so many. So definitely something that you'll want to check out, because I mean, who doesn't want to save a little bit of money? And the really cool thing is too, is there's no minimum to cash out. So no matter how much you earn back, you can cash out whenever you want. You don't have to have a minimum amount in your account. And they are offering through March 28th for every $25 spent through their website, a $10 bonus. So that's pretty cool too. So definitely check them out. I'll have them linked in the description box for you. All right guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you all of the spaces that I have organized in my home using Dollar Tree products. Hopefully this will inspire you. So we're gonna go ahead and just get started. Okay, so the first space that I have organized in my home using Dollar Tree bins is underneath of my kitchen sink. So all of these plastic bins that you see are from the Dollar Tree. They all are different, but you know, they work. So I have this one here that's just filled up with cleaning supplies that I use regularly. I have my wonderful dish wands that I use from the Dollar Tree. I highly recommend these to you guys. If you go there to pick these up, you can put dish soap in there if you want. Sometimes I do, for the ones that I use, I keep one in the kitchen to clean the sink and one for dishes, but I also like to keep them in the shower, and I put a little dish soap in there, and you can put white vinegar and then clean the shower with them, and it works really well. So I always have extras, but basically this is just the stuff I use for the countertops. I've got my stuff I clean the sink with, things like that. And then in this bin, I have Windex and the stuff we use to clean the table down with, and some Pine Sol. And then in here I just have some extra sponges and dish wands and things like that. And then I threw in my Lysol wipes. And then here I have this little over the door or over the cabinet hanger, and it's not from the Dollar Tree, unfortunately, but just in case you wanted to see what that looks like, I did get it from Amazon. But you can use Top Cashback for Amazon as well, so that's pretty cool. I did not know that until recently, so I'm super excited to start using it, because I could have gotten some money back when I purchased this. Also get that contact paper that I have there on the bottom at the Dollar Tree, just to kind of help if you have any spills or anything, and then it's really easy to wipe. Okay, so here is a junk drawer in my kitchen, and all of these little white things, these little white plastic drawer organizers are from the Dollar Tree. And I just have a bunch of junk in here, a bunch of random extra stuff, but look how nice and neat and organized it looks with having those in there. It just helps to separate everything and keep it really organized, and that way we can see what we have when we open up this drawer, and I love it so much. So I highly recommend getting these. I use them in the bathroom as well, in the drawers for like toothpaste and stuff. And then over here is another drawer in my kitchen, and this has a lot of Madeline's like arts and crafts or stuff that she uses for school. And again, we're using these Dollar Tree organizers, and she has like some notepads. We have chalk and a stapler, and then she has like pens and pencils and tissues that she'll put in like her backpack and stuff. So next is my pantry, and I have a pretty small pantry, so keeping it organized is really key. And I love, love, love these bins that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I did have some blue ones in there, but I recently found these, and I got them because they're a little bit bigger and you can see what's in them a little bit better. But I just keep like mac and cheese and rice and stuff in this one. And then in this one, I keep crackers and chips, and down here I have my sweet potatoes, but this is also where I would keep regular potatoes. And then I have all of my tea to make sweet tea. And then down here is where I keep Kinsley's cups. So most of them are dirty right now. She does have more than this, but I keep them in there. And then back there is her Dum Dum suckers. Then on this shelf, since it's so big, it is really big, but in order to be able to see everything that I have, I like these little things. I don't really know what they're called, but you can get them at the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I can store stuff underneath of it and on top of it, so it definitely gives me more storage. And then I also have this one back here that you can see is like 3 steps, and you can get those at the Dollar Tree as well. And that's how I store my canned goods. So that way I can see I have tomato sauce back there, whereas if I didn't have that, they would be down and I wouldn't be able to see them. So I really like those, and for $1, you cannot beat it. And then up here, I have some more Dollar Tree bins, and I've just got like crackers in that one, and I've got pancakes and extra things in that one.
Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know.
Okay, so right here on my counter, I have our little coffee bar with our K-Pods and all of that good stuff. But I have a drawer right below it here, and that's where I like to organize and keep all of my teas and hot chocolate and coffee supplies. So again, these are from the Dollar Tree, and I put all my extra K-Pods in here that I don't have room for. I've got my teeny back there. I've got some of my like water enhancer stuff back there. Extra creamers. I've got this K-Cup that you can get to add regular coffee grounds in and make coffee. If you didn't know that, they do make those. And then I've got my stevia here, and then some marshmallows for hot chocolate and some more hot chocolate. But as you can see, it just separates everything, and it makes it really nice and organized. And even like, especially if you have guests over and they want to make a cup of coffee, they can just open this up and very easily see everything that you have. Okay, so in my master bathroom above my toilet, I had these shelves put in after we built the house, and we need the storage because our master is not that big. So as you can see, I have some Dollar Tree bins up here. In that one, I have a makeup brush sticking out of the hole, but it doesn't matter. You can see what's in there. I have extra makeup and things like that. And then in that one, I have extra bathroom supplies, anything we might need that I just have more of, like maybe extra soap or something. And then I have all of our first aid stuff in there, Band-Aids and peroxide, alcohol, things like that. And then that's where I keep our extra toilet paper. And then on down here, that box I got from TJ Maxx, and it actually has all of my period supplies in it. I showed that in a video in my bathroom organization video. And yeah, that's where I keep like pads and tampons and things like that. But you would never know because the box just looks really pretty. And then I just have a bunch of extra stuff in that as well. And then here is a bucket from Grove Collaborative that has my Clorox wipes, my husband's reading material, and some air freshener. But yeah, I love how it makes it look so organized. Before I organized this space, everything was out in the open and it just looked really cluttered. So I really like how I have it now, and I love the white bins. I think they make it look really fresh and clean. Okay, so my laundry room is kind of small, so it's going to be hard for me to show you in here. But when we were building the house, I had them put in these cabinets, and then I had my husband make these shelves, and then I stained them to match. And I really like how it turned out because I have a lot of organization in here, plus I think it looks really pretty. So here I got this shelf on Amazon. I can't remember what it's called. If I can find it, I'll link it for you. But I just have like our scent boosters in there. They slide and fit in there so perfectly. And this just slides over the shelf right here. And then in here, I don't even know if I have anything in there. Nope, I don't have anything in that basket currently. I found these little pet shops in the girls' laundry, so they're sitting there. But then I have these little bins from the Dollar Tree. And in this one, I keep dryer sheets and I got this sample of Mrs. Meyer's laundry soap. I haven't tried it yet. And then I have some extra beads, some homemade fabric refresher, which is pretty much empty. I need to refill. And then in this one I have my stain remover. So I have my OxyClean, this little, I forget what this is called, but it's a stain remover, and then some more scent beads. And then up there I just have all of our bleach and laundry soap, my odor cleanse. And then in here I have this from the Dollar Tree. You can get the little cloth ones as well, and they have different colors, but I have these. And in this one I just have spray paint from crafting and stuff like that. And then that bin is from the Dollar Tree, and in that I have all the attachments for my Dyson. This is where my Dyson lives, in the laundry room. He plugs in right there and charges. So I have all of the attachments for him in there. And then over here I have another Dollar Tree bin, and in this I basically just have a bunch of random stuff. I have an extension cord and an air mattress pump. And then up here I just have another thing of bleach, my iron, and my broom. I don't know why I have so much bleach, you guys. I think I have an issue. Okay, so in this hall closet, I have some more Dollar Tree bins. These are some of the ones like were in the laundry room, but they're colored. So in this one, I have just, like it says, miscellaneous and random. I have some extra table runners and things like that, like seasonal stuff. And then in here, I have extra sheets. And then in here, I have some dog supplies. So I have like an extra dog mat that I use at the door. I have some sweaters and things like that for them. And then in here I just have extra bathroom stuff, as you can see. And then in here I have where I keep like our beach towels, our sunscreen, goggles, anything like that that we would use at the pool. So I like how it keeps everything really neat and organized. Alright, so in my under the stairs closet is where I keep all of my cleaning supplies. Probably some of you think I'm crazy, but I do have a cleaning channel here on YouTube, so this is kind of part of my job as well. I get sent a lot of stuff, so I do have an excuse. But in here I just had my husband install these hooks so I can hang up my mops and things like that. So on the sides I have those. And then on my shelves over here, I have Dollar Tree bins, of course, full of stuff. And I do have them labeled. So in this one, I have anything extra for the kitchen. So extra sponges, dish soaps. I have some hand soap, things like that. And then in this one is all my antibacterial cleaners. So sometimes like, if I'm going to go clean the bathroom or something and I need something that kills germs, then I'll come here, and this is where I just have like my 409, my Tide antibacterial spray, some extra Clorox wipes, and I think I have some of this Sentiva, I think. But yeah, that's where all my anti-bac cleaners are. And then in this one, I keep all my dusting and glass. I do have a Pine Sol in there because I didn't have anywhere else for it, but I have like my Indust and my Lemmy Shine, things like that that I use to clean the wood and stuff. And then in here I have my more natural cleaners, and that's just for right now, it's just my Miss Myers stuff, but I have a bunch of that because I work with Grove. And then down here in this basket I have floor stuff. So I have some cleaning vinegar, some carpet shampoo, some extra Bona solution. And then in this one back here is stuff for my floors as well. So I have Pine Sol. Let me turn that around actually. I have some Pine Sol. I have some carpet refresher stuff. I have my Method squirt and mop. Let's see, what else do I have back there? I have my Murphy's oil soap back there. I do like to switch up my products, so I do have a lot, but that's all basically floor stuff. And then over here I have for my Crosswave, this is a little thing that you set them in to dry, and then I bought an extra one. And then I have air fresheners in here, so this is just like my Febreze type things, but I don't use Febreze. I use the Caldrea linen sprays. These are amazing, by the way. And You can get those on Grove, by the way, and if you use Top Cashback, then you earn some cash back, which is really cool, but they're my favorite. And then, let's see, down here, I have, what do I have in this one? I don't even know. I have extra vacuum parts. And in this one, I have an oil diffuser. And then in this one, I have all of my essential oils and things like that. Here I have cleaning supplies, extra rags, and mop heads and things like that. This is all my dusters, gloves, things like that. More vacuum parts and trash bags, extra napkins. Pretty much that's it in that one.
For every spoken word, I wish for silence. For every storm, I long for peace. For every step I'm taking, there's a sidewalk.
And just really quickly, I wanted to share with you a tip that I love to use throughout my house, and that is you can find these little hooks at Dollar Tree, and I have one on almost every door in my house. In the bathroom, I like to hang our towels on, and then in here I have my robe, as you can see, so it's easy to grab in the morning. And then like in the coat closet, it adds extra space. I can put hooks in there and hang like extra coats and stuff. These are so convenient, and you can get them at the Dollar Tree, and you can even get the ones that have multiple ones. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to get your homes organized. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to Top Cashback. If you're going to do any projects in your home, I would definitely check out their website and sign up for an account. It's super fast and easy, and that way you guys can get some money back and put it towards your next project.
Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be headed,